Good morning, guys. Today is January 31st, 2019. I don't know if you can tell by my voice, but I just woke up like 2 hours ago. So today is actually a snow day. It's a Thursday, and I haven't had school Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday because it's cold and there's snow outside. I'm just going to be showing you guys what I'm doing today on this snow day. My room is really messy, so I'm probably going to clean that later. And I also have to set up my February bullet journal spread, so this should be a pretty interesting day. Right now, I'm just going to go ahead and get dressed and get ready for the day. Here's my very rough draft of what my monthly spread is going to look like. I'm going to have February, my video schedule, and then these boxes up here. I will have a doodle of mountains and pine trees. As we know, not the best at drawing pine trees. Don't know what that blue thing is, so that's going to take a little bit of work. So this is the outline of my tree mood tracker. I think I have like 25 trees, 2 clouds, and then I'm counting the mountain. My family and I are about to go out for lunch, and then once I get back, I will continue this. I have a lot more to do. It takes quite a while, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Later, and I just finished coloring in my mood tracker page. This one wasn't really that difficult to outline, at least, because you add the color like later on, so by the end of the month this entire thing should be pretty colored. I've got the little key right there and 28 days. I just finished doing all of the numbers. It took quite a while. I think that's my least favorite part about bullet journaling, writing out all those numbers. I had to write 28 numbers 10 times. What's that, 280 numbers? Ugh. I'm going to go ahead and finish this, and I will probably see you guys in a couple hours once I'm done. It's a lot later. It's currently 3 o'clock, and I finally mostly finished my February bullet journal setup. So I'm going to show you guys what the final product looks like. This is the first page. It says there's always something left to love. And then we have my month cover page with some clouds, February, and some calligraphy, and then a calendar and some mountains and pine trees. Flipping the page, we have my monthly layout calendar thingy. So we've got a cloud, another little mountain doodle, my video schedule. So on Sundays, what videos am I posting? And then just the month of February with a drop shadow around it. Then this is my mood tracker page. I've got all my pine trees, a mountain, clouds, and a sun as the dates. There's my key and the letters down here. I've just got doodle. I really like how this page turned out. I can't wait to see what it looks like at the end of the month. Habit tracker page. And this is my first week. Normally, in January, I had like the week and then like this page of like to do and my habits and stuff. But now that I have a whole page for that, I just have a small box for to do down here. And then the week, I'm not sure if I'm going to like this. I might go back to having it be one page for the week, one page for other stuff. Or I might have like a whole spread for a week. And then up here I have the first, the second, and the third. I actually included that in my last January spread. But February obviously doesn't start on a Monday. It starts on a Friday. So then for Monday I just have the 4th through the 10th. Also, I made a mistake here. I was doing calligraphy and I just forgot that you have to do like thin and thick lines. So I covered it up and redid it. And that is my February bullet journal setup.